Hey guys, this is Sid and welcome back to my channel Sid Saying. So today we're gonna talk about one of the best, if not the best, doodle video creators in the industry right now. And trust me, I am not exaggerating at all when I say this because I've used this thing and this is immense. This is huge. Okay, so we are talking about DoodleMaker, and before we start off with anything, I just want to tell you that this week we are organizing a giveaway. So whatever bonuses that I usually give away, so the bonuses that I'll be giving away with DoodleMaker, I'll be offering it to one other lucky person who is able to answer to my question that is going to be asked at the end of the video. All right. So before we start off, I'm just going to show you the bonuses that I'll be offering you. So these are all the bonuses that are going to help you if you go ahead with DoodleMaker. All these things are for video makers and infographics and all the platforms that we use, YouTube, Facebook. So these include your online sales because that is the main source of our revenue. Facebook ads domination, again, this is something. Facebook is very important if you are going into internet marketing and you are going to promote your products, right? How to get in the traffic. If there's no traffic, there's no sales. That's the basic thing. So I'm offering you that as well. And again, the other part is YouTube, apart from Facebook, that is really important in terms of infographics and video creations and everything. So this is the base of it all. To add it up, I'm also offering Evergreen infographics pack. This has 70 plus fresh high quality infographics in hot niches. Apart from this, I'm also offering Tip Infographics Volume 1. This has more than 50 niches under which it has infographics. I'm also offering the latest volume number 2 of the same thing. So you can get a lot more PNGs and infographics under this segment. Apart from that, the Internet Marketers Toolkit, something that I've used, something that is very important and which is very useful if you are into internet marketing. YouTube Authority, again, how to rank up your channel, how to rank up your videos, very important. So all these things, all these infographics, all these images are going to help you immensely if you go into Google DoodleMaker with my link. All right, so let's hop on to DoodleMaker now. What is DoodleMaker? So DoodleMaker is the world's first intuitive artificial intelligence doodle video creator. So that's right. It uses AI technology to create videos, and I'm just going to show you in a bit with the demo. We're going to hop on into the dashboard and just create a video out of it. Okay. So let's get to the basic things first. What it does, what are the features, what are the pros and cons, and everything else. So the complete flexibility and control to customize your doodles. This is given by DoodleMaker. You can change the color, you can customize the templates, you can use text to speech in 30 languages. You can change the background, transitions are there. Freehand editor, you can move around things that are there in the video, and images and icons are there. Soundtracks, all these are included in DoodleMaker. You can check it out. And the next one is artificial intelligence, the video translation. To say, you can effortlessly convert any video with voice, and built-in AI translation will automatically create an attention-grabbing doodle video in over 30 languages. So this is very powerful. Like, AI is something which is the next big thing. It is currently a big thing, and to get into this segment is something really big, right? Another feature that it offers is that you can create videos out of YouTube videos. We're also going to show you that. So that's what it says, I think, in the next part. uh, so this has all the segments, this is all the samples. I'm just going to show you one.
Installation service, you've come to the right place. We are proud to be the top local provider of alarm installation services.
So it looks pretty good, looks pretty basic, but once we get into the dashboard, you'll see the true power of it. Now, who is it for? It's for content creators, sales videos, teachers, just to increase engagement, freelancers. You can set it on Fiverr, Facebook ads. I'm going to use it now, for trainers, for lead generation, for educational videos. So this is the creator. uh, so we're gonna see the software in action, but before that, these are all the features that it offers. It offers text to speech, it offers AI translation, 100 plus male and female voices. You can record your own voice if you want to. You can find out icons and Pixabay APIs integrated with that. You can there is a built-in library of images. You can put in your images as well. Color image, you can change the color of that. Board switcher, you can switch the boards. You can add your watermark or logo. There are built-in transitions that you can do. There are element speed changer, you can change the speed of that. Color changer, you can export in any quality. YouTube video and Vimeo publishing is there. 300 ready video templates. So just hop on to the upsells quickly so we can get to the dashboard after that, right? Yep. Okay. So this is the front end. What you get in the front end is a DoodleMaker, a commercial license, $47 one-time fee. You get the enterprise license for $67 one-time fee. What you get in this is you get Whiteboard, Glassboard, Blackboard videos, unlimited customization, AI video translation engine. You can sell to clients globally. They have over 300 templates, text to speech in over 70 languages. You can create unlimited videos, royalty-free image to sketch converter, built-in color changer, full HD rendering, intuitive text to image finder. You can find images through text in that. The AI voices are there, 160 male and female voices are there. You can record your own voice, add your own trademark. We've talked about this. You can go through this in detail. The upgrade one is the white label unlimited, $497 one time, or white label agency 50 accounts, $97 one time. So under this, I think you can, yeah, you can sell DoodleMaker as your own brand. You can change the logo and everything, and you can sell it as the owner of it and keep 100% of the profits. Rebrand with your own logo, unlimited sub accounts at your own price. You can go through this. Upgrade number two is deluxe upgrade. So this is the upgrade that I'll be going through in the dashboard, and I'll be showing the demo of it. It's a $49 one-time thing. It gives you new templates monthly for 1 year. It's a one-time price. Ready-made human voice overs for all new templates, male and female. Ready-made video scripts written by copywriter for all new templates. 56 additional premium text-to-speech voices in 29 languages. Premium royalty free music files, priority rendering, priority access to future app updates. Upgrade number three is Toon Video Maker. Now, Toon's video is something which is very in right now, which is very trending. So go beyond Doodle videos, add new Toon videos to your marketing toolbox. Toon videos are proven ways to maximize results. Biggest Fortune 500 companies use Toon videos, which is correct. So Toon videos are the hottest video formats. As I told you, you can sell each video you can make to for $300 to $500 each. This also has the same thing. You can go through that in the link below in the description. Upgrade number four is client engine app. So this allows users to find top paying clients to sell videos or other services. This is perfect for anyone looking to. So this is more like finding the buyers for you. You can make a choice if you want to go for it. I did not go for it. I think the deluxe one is perfect for me right now, and probably I'm going to upgrade to the Toon video as well very soon. Okay, so this is the final recap. You can go through this. Let's hop on to the dashboard now, and let's get the ball rolling. So we have the dashboard. This is my dashboard. We are going to create a project now. So as shown earlier, you can either use a ready-made template, or you can start from scratch, or you can use AI video translation engine. So that means you can put in a YouTube URL. It will automatically construct the video and convert the language to whatever you want. If you wanted to change it, text to speech is amazing in this, and I have tried it in my native language. It is 100% correct. There's no error in terms of translation or anything. It is really good. I'm just going to show you that, but before that, we're going to start it with the first thing. We're going to use a ready-made template. So uh, let's start off with bakery. You can watch a preview from here, or you can just choose that straight away. So we're just going to preview that now, or we have to make some changes before that. So as you can see, these are the templates, these are the slides which are already there for us. You can edit them, you can change the text, you can change the images, you can change the speed, you can change the color, background, anything you want. So we're just going to go on to the first slide. If you want to change the text, you can do that. That's what it says in there. We can rebuild the scene. When we click on quality, it's going to show us all these suggestions of images that we can use. So we can use this. It's gonna come here. You can change the color of this. let's use this, let's use this, let's choose this. Okay, we can change that. We can change the background. If you want a white background, you can change to it a black background. You can change to the glass background or custom color, or you can just use any image that you want, which is going to be back with the white one. Okay, and such as, I'm just going to change something in this so you have an idea, such as, if you're looking for a quality bakery for your next event, you probably have a lot of questions, such as how is the quality. I'm just doing anything right now. How's the quality? We're gonna rebuild the scene. Or we can also change the voice. We can record our own voice, or we can use a TTS voice. There are these options that we have. We have English India, uh, the other TCS voice. These are the premium voices. We can use the premium voices for this. So I'm just gonna give you a little preview of everything that is going to happen. You can change the
If
soundtrack
you're
voice from
looking
here.
for
You
a
can change the
quality
voice
bakery
volume.
for your next event, you probably have a
Right, so this was it. This was a preview of it. We can create a video. It's just going to create a video. It's going to take its time. We can choose from 720p to 1080p, whatever we want. Right, we can go ahead and save that, and you can change the other slides as per your need. You can add in your logo here. You can edit the text. You can add another language if you want. You can add anything from the library. You can add text. You can change the hand, whatever is creating the doodle there. You can add up soundtracks, change the soundtracks. You can add your watermark. You can change the settings. Right, so we're going to go back, and we are going to go to AI video translation. We can start from scratch again. It's the same thing. This was a ready-made template. You're going to start from scratch. Pretty easy to do, I think, now that you must have understood everything. So this is something very good. This is something very new, AI video translation engine. So what we do is, so since we're talking about bakery, we are going to go into YouTube and grab a link of how to make a cake. So this is going to be my tagline, how to make a cake. We're going to go to YouTube and grab a video that shows us how to do that. So this is the video that we're going to copy the link, and I'm just going to show you the first few lines, and so that we can check if it's copying the text correctly or not.
Today on the Stay at Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make the most amazing chocolate cake.
Alright, so let's go back and paste the URL there. So we pasted the URL now, and we're just going to grab the YouTube video. Let's see if it comes up correctly or not. So as you can see, the first line is correct. Today on the Stay at Home Chef, I'm going to show you how to make the most amazing chocolate cake. This is the kind of chocolate cake I made, the fat kid ate in Matilda. Okay, and as you can see, this is the power of AI. It is unbelievable. It is immense. It is just awesome. It has changed all the slides. It has adjusted the text as per different slides. It has created 8 slides out of the video, and for each slide it has created its own video, or it will create right now. Okay, so this is done. We're gonna save this. We can select a soundtrack if you want. If not, it's gonna be okay. We can change the speech language as well. I'm just gonna show you that if I want to change it into my native language, which is Hindi, and we're just gonna save that. So this has translated everything from English to Hindi, and as you can see, this and this is exactly the same thing. There is no difference whatsoever. This is so accurate, and even the voice sounds so original, so real. If you choose the premium voice, it is going to be real. There is just one premium Hindi voice. We're going to choose that. Okay, and so there is a slight issue in terms of all the creatives that it offers when you go for AI. So you have to change a bit, because it looks too raw, it looks too bland, and and we have to work on the creatives and the slide for that, right? So we can delete these whatever you want. You can add some text, you can add the background, you can change the background, anything you want, you can do that. But I feel there will be a need to change the creatives in the slide, to change the artwork in the slide, because this is too full, and this sometimes won't be as good as it can be, right? So just to give you an idea, I'm just going to show you a sample of it, how this would sound in the words of Aditi in Hindi. So we're just going to preview that.
आज होमस्टे पर रहने पर मैं आपको दिखा रहा हूँ कि कैसे सबसे अद्भुत चॉकलेट केक बनाया जाता है। यह उसी तरह का चॉकलेट केक है जैसा कि मैंने मटिल्डा में वसा वाले बच्चे को
So
खाया।
you saw how
यह
amazing
इतना
that
नम
was,
और
how good
इतना
that was, and this is just the start. You can do so many things. I haven't put in a lot of work in this. You've just seen me. I did everything in just a matter of minutes, a couple of minutes. So if you put in the work, if you put in the time, I think this is something really big. This is something really good that can offer you a lot of good things. So this was it, guys. So yes, regarding the contest as well, if you want these bonuses without purchasing DoodleMaker, I'll be choosing one random winner next week. All you have to do is comment yes and mail me the answer to this question. Okay, so the question is, I have placed an emoji in the video somewhere. If you've seen that, mail me the time when you saw that in the mail ID given in the description below. If you get it right, then I'm gonna send you these bonuses free of cost, and you don't have to purchase anything, and these are almost worth $1497, and all are worth your time. All right, so if you want these bonuses without purchasing anything, just make sure you watch the video clearly and answer this question. Alright guys, so this was it. If you have any questions regarding DoodleMaker, how to do it, what are the bonuses, what are the OTOs, you can mail me anytime. You can put it in the comment section. If you like the video, please press the like button, subscribe to the channel so that whenever I get the next video, you're notified about it. And till next time, see you.